Welcome back to another video. If you guys remember last week, I took you thrifting with me and it was pretty incredible. Like I found something at almost every single store. But unfortunately, that's kind of the exception, not the rule. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to different thrift stores and not found anything, or just picked up one or two items out of like 5 thrift stores. And then there's also community yard sales. There might be 10 houses participating and you buy one thing. And that's kind of what today's video is about. Like for example, this community yard sale here, where they advertised a bunch of houses participating, and I think I counted 10 and only bought something from this one guy, but it was pretty good. Morning, how are you?
Hey, good. How's it going today?
Doing well. How much are you getting on your helmets?
20 each. I think Played Again selling them for about 70 right now. I wouldn't have sold them at those, but they were for rec league, so they're not banging heads at that age yet. But you can make an offer on anything you want.
All right. Would you do 30 for both the helmets?
Yeah, that's fine.
You do that?
Yep.
So finally, after like 9 or 10 sales, I walk away with 2 football helmets, but they're really good football helmets. Now, usually when I find football helmets, they're in bad condition. They've been beat up, they're dirty, they're nasty, or they're like older models. But these were really good. These are I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, Youth Vengeance A11 football helmets. Got 2 of them, got a small and a medium, and the small's already sold for 95 bucks. So that's not bad at all, and they're pretty easy to spot too, because there's actually a label on the back that tells you what they are. So on kind of a sidebar here, check out the listing photos that I did for these 2 helmets. Completely unnecessary, but they're pretty awesome. I've been playing around with the Photo Room AI app on my phone, and I just put these football helmets in some grass on a football field. Definitely pretty cool. But enough with AI and back to reality. Here's another community sale that I went to where they had a whopping 5 houses participating. So I only bought something from this one. And make sure you watch closely, because there's definitely a hidden bolo here.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Pretty good.
That, yep.
Yep.
Stay blurred. Okay, what was that over there? Okay.
I think I picked the only thing without a price on it. How much you need a little 35 millimeter?
That's the camera. That's the cameraman.
$5.
$5, all right.
Yeah, some stuff we just never got price on.
Yeah,
I understand. These things are a lot of work.
yeah, it really is.
Oh, that's cool.
It really is.
Then you got to hope you sell everything, so you
Yeah.
don't have to tote it back in.
Well, because we've already decided whatever we don't sell, we're going to take it to Goodwill.
I got you.
Because I don't want to haul it back in. Trying to clean this. And it's still full. We've been pouring stuff.
We cleared out a little bit, not a lot.
It's still full.
This is a waffle maker.
Unbelievable.
My mom had like a little flax.
Anything you're looking for in particular?
Always on the hunt for golf clubs.
Nope.
No golf clubs?
No golf clubs. Not a golfer. I got too many hobbies as it is.
How much are your stuff in here?
What are we getting for the movies? $1 a piece?
I mean,
Yeah.
That stuff too?
Yeah.
That's old school there. I love it.
Yeah. Yeah. I got the brand new one.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. We're just trying to get them going. Got a lot of flight stuff. I was in the Air Force.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you read the Sled Driver about the guy that flew that?
I have read that. Is that amazing?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
It's just incredible. What's that one? It's never been opened.
Yeah.
Huh. this National Geographic?
Rock.
Rocks.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a geo.
Oh, a geo kit. Okay. Yeah.
You pull them out. You hit
Hammer,
hammer and
button,
it's
they
pretty
got the
little
crystals.
geo. Yeah. At the
You
bottom.
give that. Good.
She has one.
Oh,
I gave her and Caroline one. And Chris, I
yes, to
think.
see some of those.
You got me intrigued now.
Yeah.
We took my kids to one of those sift through the sand and mine
Yeah.
things. I think for $2 we got a.
You got it.
This
You got
is like 10 geodes, and it's like little rocks. They're
And you break them open?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
they're
they
gonna-
have the
the
crystals
crystals?
Yeah,
inside.
they're gonna love that. I'll take that
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
So I grabbed some media and a few cameras and also this vintage action figure set from 1996 Space Jam. Definitely some neat finds. But did you guys catch the bolo? It's this book by Brian Scholl called Sled Driver. I've been looking for one for years. Have yet to find one, but I certainly will one day. My friend Jessie actually found one and I think she sold it for like $600. It was signed by the author, so definitely be on the lookout for Sled Driver. But sometimes the best garage sale finds don't even have anything to do with reselling. Like I grabbed this National Geographic Geo kit for $2, and it's pretty safe to say that my kids had a lot of fun with it. But enough about rocks, let's jump back into garage sales and more specifically a neighborhood sale that I went to that was actually on the lake. Kind of had high hopes for this one. I mean, nicer houses typically mean nicer things, right? Well, unfortunately, there was very low participation. I think it was 6 or 7 houses participating. And one after the other that I went to, I just didn't find anything. But I did manage to scrounge up a few things towards the end.
How you
Morning,
doing?
how are you?
Good, how are you?
Which one, the big ones or the big ones?
Morning, how are you? So I got the digital camera, got the few pair of shoes, and actually learned a new brand name. You see this pair of shoes that I actually walked away from? Yeah, when I looked up comps, I walked back and grabbed them. They're made by a company called Twisted X. They make shoes and boots, and apparently, based on my research, they sell pretty well on eBay. Also got this pair of Ariats, and I can't find comps on them anywhere except for on the Ariat European website, so that's kind of interesting. And last but not least, I got this pair of Hey Dudes, not bad for $8. But I actually didn't stop there because with so few yard sales, that left plenty of time to go to a couple thrift stores that were in the area. And while the first one started off looking pretty bleak, it actually turned out okay. Can I look at something in here? Maybe. The hat right here, I just want to see how much it was.
The hat? $5.99. $5.99 for the hat. There you go, touch that.
Oh, there you go.
That's so cute.
That's for a little person there, huh?
Hey, I got a little person.
There you go.
I don't know if you wear this stuff.
How about that one too? Oh, you know the one down there.
That one is also $5.99.
I'm gonna take both of those if you don't mind. I have a really hard time paying $5.99 a piece for hats at Goodwill when they normally charge $1 for hats. But these are Ralph Lauren, still got the tags on them, so that means they've probably got to be legit, and it's the older tag, so I'm pretty sure they're vintage. I haven't looked these up, but I'm thinking at least 30-40 bucks a piece. I'll do some research on them and let you know. Both of them are new with tags. Somebody just bought them and didn't wear them. I bought them a long time ago. Still got the plastic on the buckle.
That could actually turn out to be really good. Like I said, I'll do some research on them and let you know.
Well, this is me letting you know those hats actually sold in like 2 days for 60 bucks a piece, both to the same buyer. And I may have actually sold them too cheap, but either way, that's a pretty good quick flip. And also, did you notice the football helmets in the back of the car? Yeah, they rode around with me for like 2 weeks. I call it my mobile death pile. Don't be like me. At this next store, though, I actually did better finding than I did filming. I grabbed this Nikon digital camera. It's the model AW120, and it's actually an underwater camera. I've tested it, everything works. It's a nice, clean unit, and it should sell pretty well. And I also grabbed this set of golf clubs, paid $5 for them, and I'll let Past Me tell you about those.
So I definitely won't complain about that stop. Got the Bazooka J Max Ironwoods, $5 for the set. It's missing the 5 iron or wood, whatever you want to call it. But this is one of the most unassuming and kind of valuable sets. It sells really quick, and it'll surprise you. Like seriously, this set right here, probably, I don't know, $100, $125. Paid $5 for them. May could even get a little bit more. They were in better condition, but they're always missing the paint on the top. You can see that one there. But yeah, they'll still sell really quick.
So that's certainly not too bad for a quick stop after garage sales. And I know this video has kind of been all over the place, but that's somewhat intentional because that's kind of how reselling is. You may go to one place and get 10 things, or you may go to 10 places and get one thing. You never know, but the hunt sure is fun. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.